Drone facade inspections. A new and innovative way to inspect your building. It's safe and efficient, using a drone and state-of-the-art software. You can now have your building inspected without putting people at risk or heavy costs of machinery and scaffolding. It's as simple as collecting the data, processing it, and then having our engineer inspect the data. The engineer will then make annotations of the areas of interest. Once the inspection is completed, a PDF report will be generated for the client, and repairs can begin. Take pride in your building being structurally safe and sound for your tenants. Contact Los Angeles Aerial Image for a consultation on a building facade inspection today.